As an entrepreneur, an online coach, and a service-based provider, when it comes to marketing in this modern world, I know you've heard the phrase, content is king. But what is content? And what does content marketing means? More so, what is content marketing strategy? Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't met me yet, I'm Andrea and I help female online coaches save time and make more money by using practical content strategies to build a strong online presence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos every week. In this video today, we are going to answer your questions about content marketing and how to create the best content marketing strategy for your business. So stay tuned and keep on watching because in the end, I'll be sharing with you my 1:5 content framework that you can use right now for your business. First things first, let us define content marketing and content strategy. According to Content Marketing Institute, content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract, retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. In simple terms, it means that instead of pitching your product or services, you are building connections with your audience by telling stories that provide relevant and useful content to help them solve their problems. On the other hand, content strategy involves the planning, creation, management, and maintenance of the content. So if we define content marketing strategy, according to copyblogger.com, it is a plan for building an audience by publishing, maintaining, and spreading frequent and consistent content that educates, entertains, and inspires to turn strangers into fans and fans into customers. So the next question is, do you need content marketing strategy? The answer is yes. People buy from people. And with content marketing strategy, it is a long-term strategy that requires building connections with your ideal audience by giving them high-quality content that is solving their problems on a consistent basis. With this, it shows that you actually care for them. Here are the 7 benefits you can get when you have content marketing strategy in place. First, it increases your brand visibility. Second, it develops lasting relationship with your audience. Third, it improves brand awareness and recognition. Fourth, it creates loyalty and trust. Fifth, it helps you build authority and credibility. Sixth, it generates traffic into your sites for lead generation. And seventh, it helps customer move to purchase decision quickly. Now, how do you develop a content marketing strategy? Before diving into content strategy, I want you to have a concrete platform that you are going to use in your marketing strategy. Think of it as your main content channel. Are you going to blog or write an article? Are you going to create a video or record a podcast? Also, I want you to make sure that your main content is on a searchable platform. If you choose a podcast, make sure that you repurpose that content into a blog and put it in your website to make it searchable. In my case, I use video as my main source of content and I upload it on YouTube as my main core channel. So video content is what my target audience are consuming and YouTube is my searchable platform. Next is to choose 1 or 2 social media platforms that you are going to use and then build on that, master it, and expand to other platforms later on if you want. Why I'm saying that you have to only choose 1 or 2 social media platforms? Because content creation is overwhelming as it is. And I want you to focus your time and energy on those that work best for you and your target audience. Now that we got that in the open, let's develop your content marketing strategy. First, have a long form of content. It may be a video, a podcast, a blog, or an article. Second is you have to choose how you will leverage your content to its maximum reach. Are you going to use Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Pinterest? Again, choose platforms that you are comfortable creating content with and where your target audience is hanging out. Third, in order to save your time and be strategic with your content, repurpose it. Yes, repurpose your long-form content into small pieces and strategically distribute it to your social media channels. If you are writing an article, repurpose it into an email newsletter that you can send to your email list so that you can nurture them. Or you can pull 2 to 3 ideas or takeaways from that article and create a social media graphic into it and post it on your social media platform. If you're doing a video or recording a podcast, you can repurpose it into an IGTV, a blog post, a social media graphic with a caption, or an IG story. There are a lot of ideas you can do for just one content alone. If you want to know more about repurposing content, comment down below and I'll make another video for you. Number 4, this is important. Don't forget to create a catchy headline that is, of course, SEO optimized. And then a hook that grabs attention, a short and concise body, and a clear call to action. And number 5, measure your KPIs. How are you going to measure it? It depends on your goals. So if your goal is to grow your email list, you measure your KPIs by click-through rates, open rates, how many subscribers you have, how many unsubscribed, bounce rates, spam, and shares. So to recap, content marketing strategy is a very important aspect in your marketing because it improves brand awareness, it helps you build strong online presence, and makes you the authority in your niche. I hope you find this valuable, and if you do, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share this video. And if you have any questions about content marketing, content strategy, productivity, streamlining and organizing your business, outsourcing, and delegating, comment down below and I'll answer them for you. And before I forget, I have my 1:5 content framework that I linked in the description down below so that you can download and that you can use right now for your business. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page where I share tips and tricks behind the scenes about content marketing, content strategy, and productivity for your business. See you next week for another video.